Alright. This week was kind of iffy, but I want to be able to record this because this is also a learning lesson. So, Thursday, I made videos basically saying that I was done trading, but I ended up looking in the market on Friday and kind of seeing some movements, but I wasn't in the right mindset, nor was did I have a clear game plan or strategy for the day, because I didn't plan on trading for that day. So that caused me to have placed some trades, some risky trades or some FOMO trades, and lose some capital. So over here, I lost a couple on the EuroCat, and then gold, which dropped my account to 109.
Like a panther.
Over here though, I kept it under 1,000. Not to say that like it should be zero, but not. And then it's like I'm placing 5 trades on a Friday. Max is supposed to be like 3. So, and then even on this, I think I'm gonna make it so my max is 6 trades. That way I can also kind of preserve capital a little better, which is crazy because these Thursdays is normally my best days, and it don't look like it though. What really got me was this gold trade. This gold trade is what's really holding me up. Not to say, let's see what it would be that would take up that. So yeah, I still would be a little in the red without this, but this was a great trade, and that's all they really take. Again, I know I'm not gonna win every, but as long as I can keep it at a 70 consistent, that's cool, because it's gonna level out. Yeah, I had 15. Yeah, I had 15 at one point on the 14th, which was Tuesday. Low key, what I should have did, honestly, and I believe this is in my notes, but I didn't like make it a solid rule. Once I had this gold trade for the week, a Sunday at the beginning of the week, I low key shouldn't even trade it. And if I did trade, lessen the lot sizes and lessen the amount of trades I took. So like when I hit that, and then I hit that on Tuesday, I do have a rule, and again, that's why I'm gonna really go through and make a step-by-step on all of my things, my do's and don'ts, because that is one of my things. If I have 2 successful days, either don't trade that third or trade the third day at half, and if the day is a loss, don't trade again for the rest of the week. But if it is a winner, I still don't trade for the rest of the week. But it's something that allows me to be able to, okay, maybe I see something here, but just in case, I won't have to do it. So I will have to pay attention to that more, because honestly, having the start of the week at $13,000 profit for the week before Wednesday, I should have just been like, okay, you know what? I'm going to chill because now at this point, I'm getting greedy. I may get cocky, which I did, and I started chasing, which I lost some of my capital. Realistically, had this been a actual funded account, once that money had the 15, I would have requested a payout. I'm cool. That's money in the bank. So I have to start having that mindset on that, and that is something I will do coming up. I'm going to get an account and show my process of getting funded and then doing all of that. So this, for me, what stopped me is finding your why. This is important when you are trading, to find your why. Something that's bigger than you. It's not just about the money. It's not just about lifestyle and stuff like that. And it is, but it's more so also about the discipline. It's about the mentality, the mindset. And yes, those other things come with it, but the foundation has to be right. And that is something that I am continually working through. I've gotten a lot better at how I look at this, and when I do have those days when I go off, how I manage it and things like that. And just being a little more mindful and having things in check and being able to realize, okay, I need more checks on this area, or I don't need as many checks on this area, and just growing from there. On these, what I will have to do is I will have to journal on those trades. I have my different playbooks. So I got my Green Ranger, I got my 1-inch strategy, 1-inch punch strategy, I got my goofball, and my Viper pullback. So all of those will be classified as goofballs. And it looks like I got 8 goofballs classified already, almost $4,000 in losses because I either broke my strategy or I got greedy. So I will work towards that. Wait, 30, 90, which is crazy because, okay. So what I believe I will be doing now is next week, going into next week, I will be more cautious on what trades I will place, what my leverage will be, what my drawdown, the max drawdown for the week will be, considering account balance and preservation, things like that. And I'll go from there. After this, I'll probably make a video of erasing everything and recharting. I want to make some more, but it is kind of getting late. So, but I just wanted to put this out here to be like a journal on what happened for the week. Some psychology tips. Like I said, I had to think of something that was bigger than me. What I'm working for, the people that I love, and it's just like at this point, I'm the only one that is stopping me from reaching the next level, because I put in the work. I know the stuff. I have the strategy. I back tested it, and now all I have to do is implement it, follow it, trust it, and continue to do the same thing. And that's another thing that you realize once you start really doing this is it's more so of a system, a system that you do this, you see this, you get in, you move that. You want it more so as for me at least, I want it more so. I don't necessarily have to always be in here every day, always looking at the markets, and that's why I say normally I know that I should have just if this would have been a funded account, I would just got to pay out because that's what to me that's what it's about. Me being able to get have a payout of 15,000, or let's say even 10 after or 9. Let's say 9 after they get their cut and I pay taxes or something. To get $9,000 before the middle of the month and still have an opportunity to make something for the rest of the month, but have that and be able to enjoy time with the people you love, or do other things, or reinvest that money into different things. So that's why I say I typically implement those things, because that's what it is for me. I don't want to have to necessarily be in here every day trading like this. So that's on me. That's on me. If I'm having good weeks, enjoy the profits and let the markets do what it's going to do without you in it. So I think that's it on this video. Really, the trades that I was taking was gold. I was trying to, and then the thing too was, I knew I was kind of bogus because I was all in like the 2 and the 5 minute chart, trying to scout and stuff. Like, nah, yeah, I had to just stop. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed this.